This day we are replacing drain motor of this commercial washing machine. So the drain is always draining water that make the drum empty of water, and it will shows an error from the display. So we found out that this drain motor is already burned out in this underneath of this washing machine. So we will replace new one drain motor. This is the model, 230 volts single phase. Hope this will fix the problem. This is the back side of this washing machine. Here is the drain line we checked a while ago while running the unit, and the water is continuous draining due to defective drain motor already burned out, and we will replace it for now. That's for all for today. Thank you.